Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm already messing up. Okay, welcome to Debra's Crafting Zone. My name is Debra, and today I want to do unboxing of stuff that I got off Temu and Amazon because I'm gonna start making, crafting videos with silicone molds using resin, alcohol inks, glitter, like everything. So, and I just want to share that with y'all. So I want to do that. And so, let's get started. I took some of the stuff off the out the box already because um, Temu have a lot of wrapping paper. So, yeah, the first one I'm showing you is this owl. I don't know if you can see it, if it's focused right, but it got a lot of details in it. I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to make this one day. Okay, next up we have this. And most of the stuff I'm gonna use it for my house. Yeah, we have this skull. I thought this skull was pretty good. And the thing about this skull is I watch other YouTube content creator that, do these molds and resin and stuff. And I seen one lady, she had this skull. She had a skull, but I don't know if it was big. Like this, I think it's probably bigger. Or I probably got the small version. She probably got the large version. And she had these flowers, right? Even though the stem is long, what she did, she clipped these off. And then she clipped this up to here. She clipped it up to here. And she stuck it in her head, you know? And then she poured the resin in it, all colors that she gonna use or whatever. And then when she demolded, it came out and you could see this color on top. Like, it was so pretty. So I decided I wanted to do that. So yeah, that's one thing. Then I got this beautiful eagle. Okay, it got a lot of details in it, as you can see. I don't know if y'all can see that good. So let's see. See, a lot of details in that. So yeah, I want to make this. Oh Lord, it's a train, y'all. Don't worry about that train. Yep, so the eagle. Okay, yeah. And then I got another skull. It has a lot of details too. So yeah, I'm going to be making that. And I decided to create a channel because I have been watching a lot of videos. People doing their arts and crafts. So I was like, ooh, I want to do that. So, I started buying all this stuff just so I could start doing stuff like that. So I'm new to resin. Well, not really new, but I'm new to doing this type of stuff with molds and a bunch of resin. Because the only thing I used to use is epoxy for, tumblers and stuff. And yeah, so I decided to get into this. And then I'm like, why not make a channel, create a channel for this, And whoever watch it. Who don't, it's okay, It ain't for everybody. But I just feel so excited because I'm ready to get started. And these are some snowflakes. I think I got two. Yeah, they gave you, different size. Yeah. And I'm so happy about that. I got this pretty house. I think this is for Christmas. And I think some stuff is for Halloween. Some stuff is for Christmas. Some stuff is just for everything. Some stuff I just got it just to get it because I see how other folks, not folks, but other people be using it and doing stuff. So I'm like, ooh, that looks so pretty. Let me do me one. So this a house, some Christmas trees. I don't know, but this shaped like I don't know what that is. We'll see when it get done, though. I probably got to read off. I should have read what I bought so I can give you a good description on it. But, yeah, I forgot. And I got this silicone mold right here. It's a family. And it says, the one we live with, love. Nope. The one we live with, laugh with, and love. The one we live with, love with, oh, whatever I just said. Because I can't hardly see through this because it's so, you can't hardly see on this background like that. But maybe I'll put like this, but then y'all will be out of frame. So, yeah, I ain't going to take too much long on that. Y'all going to see it. It's going to be beautiful. Okay? So then, okay, even though I showed you the flowers already, I left these in the bag. I only took one out. But all of them is like this, and I just got a whole bunch of different colors. I thought I didn't need to take all those out the bag. Okay? So then, I have these. Okay? Makeup brushes. This one came off Amazon. This one came off Temu. I ordered this first because it took the order a long time to come, and I already was making stuff. And then I just turned around and said, oh, let me go ahead and order some off Amazon. I ordered these off Amazon. Makeup brush for my makeup powder that I'm going to be putting in the resin. And I'm going to like brush it on and stuff like that because I don't wear makeup. So that's what that's for. Yep. Then I also have these little butterflies. I'm going to open this real quick so you can see one. I have these butterflies that I'm going to be putting in the resin too. They're going to be cute once I find out what I'm going to do with it because I see a lot of videos. People be putting everything in resin. You can resin everything, I tell you. And then these little things, I'm going to find something to do with that. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but we're going to find something. Then we got some stars and moons, like holographic. Yes, look at them colors. Pretty colors. Yep. And then I got these little bead things. Like you can spell out your name or whatever. Make your necklace. But not the regular weight necklace. Like if you got a round silicone mold and you can write your name in the mold with these right here, then you put the resin on it. Oh, it's going to be pretty. So yeah. Then I got this off Amazon. It's just a thermometer, but it say, you know, meat, but I'm using it for the resin. I already have one for the meat, so I decided to get one for the resin to make sure I know the temp of my resin, because they say if you get the right temp or you pour at the right time and get the right temp of your resin, your work will come out pretty good. So I got that. Okay. Then I got these less resin color epoxy resin pigment. I got these colors. And I decided to go with this color because, well, not this color, but this brand, because a lot of people use less resin. Why say resin? Less resin. Lord. Less resin. Why say resin? Like, just slow. But okay. Then I have this one. And these are the metallic ink set. I got that. Okay. I got, I'm dropping everything. Some more Let's Resin. And this I think this the highly concentrated pigment. So these ones will be best used for when you're doing blooms and stuff. So I got a lot of color. I haven't opened them yet because, like I said, I just got them not too long ago. So I got that. Then, I got the Ocean White, made by Let's Resin. Ocean White epoxy resin pigment. They said this give you cool effects. So I got to check this out. Maybe. I believe it do because all the videos I watched, it was pretty good. And these are this is the Cast and Craft. This should be good too. I see a lot of people use these too. This is the Less Resin Single White. They say it do wonderful too. Look, y'all, I'm gonna say day because I haven't worked with this kind of stuff right here. So this will be my first time. So y'all, just just give me a chance. Let me close up to the camera because I'm not used to doing this. So I'm kind of scared. So that's why it's like crazy. But I got me some Seaway resin pigment, and it's white. I got this off Temu. And stuff like this, it's a little go a long way. So you don't need nothing but a dab to make what you need. Okay, I'm so scared, y'all. How can I be nervous? This is my first video. I should be more excited, but I'm more scared than anything. Then I got some glitter that I'm gonna be using too. I like these colors, especially this one, and I like that one too. But I have a whole lot of glitter now. That I have, but I just bought this right here. But I already had some for when I was making tumblers. I'm gonna be doing that too on here. Show y'all a little bit of everything. Got some flowers, dry pressed flowers that I got off Amazon. I'm gonna put them in some coasters and stuff like that, or my tray mold. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do some cool stuff. Then I have, hold on, I have these glitters. I got this off Amazon too. All different kind of colors, pretty colors. Okay. I just decided to buy those too, even though I still got I got so much glitter already. This is just the new glitter that I bought. Everything else is put up. Okay. And then I have the foils. And then the what's this? Glass rocks. Or crushed rocks. Glass crush. Wouldn't tell them. But yeah, I got that because I see people with that. Okay. Because like I said, I did everything but, Then, I seen people with these. They had them in coasters. And these jiggly eyes, googly eyes. The one they move and stuff. So, I got a bunch of this. I got to find a lot of work to put this in. I don't know. We're going to have to see what we can do. All we can do with this right here besides the coasters. And I have this set. Okay? Now, when I was making tumblers, I always wanted these colors right here. But they used to be expensive, okay? And I was cheap then. Well, I'm still kind of cheap now because I don't got it like that, But I said, since I'm going to create me a channel and, and make the stuff, I just decided just to get it, I decided to get it. It says, what you say, you got to spend money to make money? I don't know if I'm going to make some money, but I'm just want to do this for my videos, because I like watching people make stuff, and I also like making stuff myself, so I decided to share it with y'all. That's what I want to do, okay? So, I'm trying to see, I had something else that I can show you guys, but I don't think I brought it in here. Yeah, because, let me see. Knocking stuff over. Yeah, and I also have the Less Resin metallic powders. I have a whole bunch of mica powders. I have a whole bunch of glitter. I have a whole bunch of everything. And I got to find a way to use all this stuff that I got, especially the new stuff. So, with that being said, y'all, if y'all wouldn't mind, would you please subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel so, I can show you guys the stuff that I make. And, and y'all can see me having fun. Just having fun. Just, yeah, just subscribe. And then, we're going to have fun over here. Because you in where? You going to be in the zone. Okay? When we get in that zone, it's going to be on and popping. So, you know, just, I'm so scared, y'all. I'm so scared. But please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, my first video that I was so scared on. Okay? And I will see y'all next time. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, so I can get out there, so we can, you know, I can get out there and let the world see what I can do too. Okay? With that being said, I will see y'all on the next video. And I don't know which one I'm making first, but we're going to figure that out together, I guess. If you can leave the comment down below if you see this video. Okay? But if not, I will make something and I will make it with y'all. See y'all next time. Peace. And welcome to the zone.